Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off gyro aiming on your controller in Counter-Strike or any Steam game. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon labeled Big Picture Mode right beside your username. Go ahead and click on it. This mode is specifically designed for controller-friendly navigation and gives you access to all the controller settings you'll need to adjust. After Big Picture Mode opens, you'll see your game library displayed on the screen. Click on the game where you want to turn off gyro aiming. This could be Counter-Strike or any other title in your library that supports controller input. Selecting the game will take you to its dedicated page where you can manage various settings. Now look at the right panel of the screen. You'll notice several icons displayed there. Click on the controller icon. This icon is your gateway to all controller-related settings for the specific game you selected. It's where Steam allows you to customize button mappings, sensitivity, and other controller behaviors to match your preferences. Although I don't have any controller connected at the moment, I'll still show you the next step so you can see exactly what to do when your controller is plugged in. The process remains the same whether your controller is currently connected or not, so don't worry if yours isn't plugged in right now either. Once you're in the controller settings menu, navigate to the section labeled In-Game Controls. This is where all your gameplay-related controller options are housed. Now, look for an option called Gyro Behavior. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and select None from the list of available options. By selecting None, you're essentially disabling the gyro aiming feature entirely. This means your controller will no longer respond to physical tilting or motion, giving you a more traditional aiming experience without any unintended movements caused by gyro sensors. And that's it. You've successfully turned off gyro aiming for your controller in Counter-Strike or any Steam game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.